So in this video, I'm gonna tell you some 30 daily routine German verbs. So the first one is kommen. Kommen means to come. And the second one is gehen. Gehen means to go. Third, machen. Machen means to do. Fourth, wohnen. Wohnen means to live. Fifth, lieben. Lieben means to love. Sixth, bringen. Bringen means to bring. Seventh, sprechen. Sprechen means to speak. Eighth, kochen. Kochen means to cook. Ninth, fragen. Fragen means to ask. 10th, antworten. Antworten means to reply. Baden. Baden means to bath. Essen. Essen means to eat. Singen. Singen means to sing. Tanzen. Tanzen means to dance. Arbeiten. Arbeiten means to work. Sehen. Sehen means to see. Hören. Hören means to listen. Laufen. Laufen means to run. Lesen. Lesen means to read. Schreiben. Schreiben means to write. Suchen. Suchen means to search. Finden. Finden means to find. Stehen. Stehen means to stand. Sitzen. Sitzen means to sit. Fahren. Fahren means to drive. Reisen. Reisen means to travel. Treffen. Treffen means to meet. Schlafen. Schlafen means to sleep. Lernen. Lernen means to learn. Lachen. Lachen means to laugh. So ये थे आपके डेली रूटीन के 30 जर्मन वर्ब्स.